Hello, this is a quick review and a closer look at the Miele Vacuum. It says S4212 model here, 1200 watt, purchased from Costco or the actual business itself. Now this is just going to be a quick review. This is a smaller unit. Some of them have more wattage. I believe they go up to 1500 watts. You might notice it, but this is a perfect unit for a small office that's under 1,000 square feet with some carpeting. Just want to let you know that the product comes with these accessories. Great for corners. This is for surfaces that might have dust. I just keep them on here. Now, just a quick review of the inside. It comes with a little bag that you just slip in. So easy to slip in and slip out. There's a little latch. I'm not gonna get into it, but that latch lets you take out a bag, as you can see, or you just simply click it in place. That's the bag, and there's a little HEPA filter that you can take out if you want to on the inside. Now, let me just put this back together here. Oops. All right. Just had a little issue. There we go. Sorry. Now, on here you have a maximum output button. Minimum output, as you can see, you can change it to minimum to maximum, different depending on furniture, carpet, silent mode. It's pretty quiet. This button here is for pulling the cable, and this is for turning it on. Now, I am going to test it out on vacuuming this right here. Watch this. Pretty good. Now it's pretty tight. And then you just latch it up over here. The vacuum is very smooth. It's very tight. It has a lot of suction for the size, and you can connect this part to it. You don't have to. It has an arm that extends fully out, and totally satisfied with it. So that's just a closer look at the Miele Vacuum S4212.